Hi, I'm Kim from Kasteel Property Management. At Kasteel, we not only help Utah investors grow their real estate, but we are also great at helping realtors grow their business. That's right, realtors, listen up and find out all the ways we can be an important tool to help you help your clients. Number 1, client retention. We focus exclusively on property management, and this is why we do it so well. That's right, we are not realtors. This benefits you because when a realtor refers someone to us, we keep the realtor's name attached to the account information. Then when an owner tells us they are looking to buy or sell real estate, we will direct them back to you. Effectively, we will be your free client retention service. Number 2, passive income. Let us help you continue to get paid on your real estate sales with our exclusive referral program for realtors. This is a great way to build passive income from something you are already doing. Through your broker, you can receive ongoing income every month on the referrals you've sent that sign up with Kasteel. See the contact information in the comments below to ask for more details. Number 3, free consultations. Do you have a client that has questions or is unsure about what to expect when owning a rental property? Leave it to us to answer those questions and help them feel more confident regarding rental ownership. Then you can focus on helping them find that perfect rental purchase. Number 4, free rent assessment. When your clients are preparing to buy a new investment property, don't rely on online rent calculators. There are factors that these tools just don't have the ability to consider. Call us for a free personal rent assessment by real people who know the industry best. Number 5, professional resources. On our website at kasteelproperty.com, we have a library of instructional videos for landlords, investors, and realtors that answer some of the most common questions that people ask about owning rental properties. This also includes videos with a variety of home industry professionals where we deep dive into their wealth of knowledge and experience that will help your clients protect and maximize the growth of their investments. On our website, you'll also find an easy-to-navigate FAQ page that will help your clients easily get the answers they need. Number 6, we make you look good. With our high level of service and expertise, the clients you send us will be happy that you referred them. We would love to help you help your clients, so contact us today so we can get started. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. You can also find more helpful landlord tips by visiting our website at kasteelproperty.com. At Kasteel Property Management, we do more than just watch your rental property. We protect it, cultivate it, and help your investment grow.